Just installed my advanced flow engineering intake on my 422 Raptor. And I haven't really noticed much of a difference, which I don't think people typically do. But I do like it. Adds some color and coolness inside. And then I also added these cool caps that go right over the stock plastic. And that's about all I've done. But fun truck. I just posted a quick video of the truck, and then I'm going to show you my suspension that I installed. Those are I-box springs, 2 1/4 inch lift up front. Anyway, sorry, I'm not a pro at doing these videos, not yet anyway. So they're just pretty basic, just for fun. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions.